फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. So fantastic, today we are, as you guys can see by the thumbnail probably, today we are doing basic series. And these days I'm getting a lot and a lot of comments like, I finally found some borax, and you're like, can you tell us some recipes that we can make from borax? So basically whatever I make in my channel with glue involving in it, you guys can just switch the no borax activator and use borax activator in that. And also in today's recipe, this is like a perfect basic slime recipe. So this slime requires like the least amount of ingredients and it will be like perfect. So this is basically a perfect slime recipe. And now, without talking too much, let's get started and let's make this slime together. So let's go. So to make our slime, let's take our slime bowl. So this is our new small slime bowl. It's pretty cute actually, and this is the first time I'm using it. I'm super excited. So now let's start making our slime, and let's take the basic white glue. So let's take some fevicol, and yeah, let's add some fevicol into our bowl. You guys can take pretty much whatever measures you want. This is your choice, however much you want to make slime. I'm just making so that I can show you guys how this works. So I'm basically using this full bottle or half bottle, however much you guys want to add. I'm adding this full bottle of glue. At least I'm trying to get it all out. So basically this much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just utilize the rest of the glue somewhere else. So yeah, this is how much glue we are going to use today. And yeah, the next ingredient is, you guys can add lotion and stuff like that, but today I'm making this a very basic, like a super beginner friendly slime. So I'm just going to add the literal basic ingredients that is required to make a slime. So I've added the glue, and now we are going to add some purple food coloring. It's been a long time since we've made a purple slime. So yeah, let's now make a purple slime. So we do need a lot of purple food coloring because the white glue always absorbs the food coloring. So let's just add a lot. And now let's mix the food coloring with our blue spoon. It's matching my nail paint today. If you like my nail paint, then comment down below blue heart or any heart, whichever you like. And yeah, let me know. And make sure to like this video if you guys like these videos. Oh my god, it's always the most satisfying part. Now I'll just shut up and let you guys enjoy this. Oh my god, you guys. Wow. This is literally so pretty. So let's mix it all together now. Oh god, all the pretty dark purple is gone. And this lilac is left with us. Oh god. But still, this is like super pretty. Oh god, this slime looks so pretty. We'll just mix it all together nicely. If you want more lilac-ish color, then you can add a little bit more, but I love this color right now, and I'll just, you guys can even call this a BTS slime if you want, because this is the most prettiest purple shade, and BTS love purple, so yeah. Whoever is a BTS army here, make sure to leave some purple hearts in the comments and let me know who you guys are. And yeah, I love you all of my BTS army and everyone, like literally everyone. Even if you don't like them, it's okay. God. Also, all the Blackpink fans, make sure to give some black and pink hearts in the comments. Like, this is so pretty. Oh God. If you guys want me to make a Blackpink slime, then comment down below and let me know. And now I'll start making the activator. So now let's make the activator. So here is our activator bowl, and in this bowl now we'll take a little bit of water. So about that much, and in that we'll take a little bit of baking soda. So this is about 15 to 20 ml of water, and in that we are taking 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we are just going to mix it nicely and dissolve it. If you take hot water it will be nice, but then the slime will be hard to activate since the activator is hot. So now we are just going to dissolve it. And after dissolving the baking soda, the next step is to get a lens solution, or you guys can get ear and eye drops, anything, or just drop like 15 to 20 drops of lens solution, or you guys can add more depending on how much of a concentrated activator you want. So this is a very simple basic activator recipe. You need to have baking soda. Do not forget to add baking soda, because that is what makes the boric acid a borax activator. So now we just made an activator here, and this is what we are going to add in our slime. So make sure to mix it completely before adding. And now let's go to the activation process. But before, let's switch our container. So now that we have made our activator, now it's time to activate our slime. Oh God, this looks so pretty. Okay, now I'll stop and let's activate our slime. So this is our activator, and just drop by drop make sure to add the slime activator and slowly just activate the slime. As you guys can see, the slime is already activating, and I'll just fast forward this part for you guys. So fantastic. After a lot of mixing, we have finally made our slime, and can you guys see how glossy it looks? Oh my God, like this is the perfect beginner slime consistency. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. As you guys can see, this is literally the most perfect glossiest slime. Like, we didn't even add any lotion or anything like that. It's just naturally extremely glossy. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video after a long time. Can you guys see? Oh my God, that this is like the best texture. Like, this is my favorite texture of slime. Oh my God, can you guys see that? This is like literally perfect. Like, oh my God, you guys. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more amazing slime content like this one. And make sure to comment any other challenges that you guys want me to make. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really like this video. And yeah guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.